This video regards the second lower bushing in a Corvair distributor. I'm not out to contest the fact that what some refer to as the lower bushing within the housing itself is inadequate. All I did was have the time and an old bushing and put it in my distributor by turning the bushing down in the lathe and fitting it into the actual housing. And I've set it up here with the dial indicator, and I put a couple of marks on there so it can be seen to be spinning. And I'm now going to rotate it, and that's about 360 degrees. I'll go around a couple more times. But as it can be seen, I am only getting about a half a thousandths of run out. Just so you can see how I have that configured. So from my perspective, no, I don't think you need to have the lower bushing. I just did it for the fun of it, so to speak, for the challenge. And so far it seems to be working adequately for me. I know some people think it's going to cause binding, and other people say that there's greater stability in their ignition system. And, well, may the debate continue.